I am David Erickson, and this is pro tip number. LinkedIn has added a nice new feature for people who have names that are difficult to pronounce or unfamiliar to people. So you can actually now record your how to pronounce your name and attach that to your LinkedIn profile. Now you can only do it on mobile for now. You can't do it on the desktop, so you need to go through your mobile device, whether that's an iOS or an Android device. Go through the app and go to your LinkedIn profile. Go look at your profile, and now that you're viewing on your profile, you can see that there is a edit icon, a pencil edit icon next to your name. Click on that and you will get a pop-up screen and the ability to add a voice recording, and click on that. And once you click on that, you'll get a microphone icon, and you want to press and hold the microphone icon while you're recording. You can't just tap it or it won't work. You need to press and hold on the microphone icon and record your how to pronounce your name. You get 10 seconds to record your name, and once you've got a recording that you like, you can play it back, listen to it, and then click save, and that will then show up on your LinkedIn profile next to your name with an audio icon next to your name so people can actually play it. And I'll show you how that looks on my profile. Here you can see my LinkedIn profile, and you'll notice that next to my name now there is a speaker icon that people can click on to hear how to pronounce my name. Let's try it out. David Erickson. Not that anybody really needed to know how to pronounce my name, but if you have a name that people often get wrong, that's something you can add to your LinkedIn profile to help them out.